You see, this is the number one reason why I don't want, in fact, anytime Mayu is playing, I don't feel like coming outside. Thank God I'm not even wearing my Mayu jersey again. Maybe, yeah. It's calling me by this time. I'm sure I can just pause this thing. Yeah. Hello?
Yeah, Mr. Funny Chef. I have your nephew here with me. He has been kidnapped. Listen, you need to pay the sum of 10 million naira if you want to see him alive.
Yeah.
By this time tomorrow, I will forward an account to you where you will deposit the money. Refusal to do this, I will chop him into pieces by myself. Did you get that?
Comedian of the week, comedian of the year. You kidnapped my nephew.
What?
Do you have any other thing to tell me now? I'm watching MASH.
And your time starts now.
You know what I want you to do for me now? Eh? Give him the phone. Let me talk to him. Let me confirm this thing that you're saying. Because I know that my nephew can. Just give him the phone.
Hello, Uncle. Uncle, see, they kidnapped me. It was when you said I should go and wash your car. It was between the car. I'm listening. See, Uncle, they say you should pay 10 million. Please pay the 10 million so they will release me.
Wait. They kidnap you? How?
Uncle, please pay the 10 million. There's just 10 million. Just pay them, please. So that they can release me. They didn't give me food here. I'm hungry and everything is worrying me. Uncle, please pay them.
I should send them the 10 million. Send them the 10 million.
Please, Uncle, thank you very much, Uncle.
Okay. Give them back the phone.
Okay, I will give it to her now.
Yes, Mr. Chef. Look, I am not joking with you.
Cherry, just calm down. Since you said you have my nephew, and you are planning to chop him to pieces like the way they cut hot dog or plantain when they want to fry it, you understand? Do same.
You said?
Cut the dada, cut everything. That is dada, cut everything.
I should kill him.
And just send me the video for confirmation. Before you know it, you will see your 20 million naira. Because this is my nephew. He's better than staying with me.
Hey! Uncle!
Can you hear him scream? You can hear him scream. You think we're joking here?
Are you going to do it or you will not do it?
Oh boy.
Hey? What did he
Which
say?
uncle you get?
What did he talk?
He say, make I buy you.
Eh?
Do video. Send, give him. He go add extra 10 million to make him 20 million.
Are you sure you guys are related? You sure it's not your uncle?
No, not triangle. If now waiting, don't even think about it. Wait, if you have it in your mind that you want to get to it, don't even attempt to kill me. My own business. See, let me tell you, So my uncle say you should kill me.
Which uncle you get?
This your uncle no like you at all.
Are you playing? What type of playing is this?
But he said, it means that you kill me, saying he go give you 20 million.
Make I buy you. Buy you.
Hey!
That man wicked.
This is playing?
So my uncle said you should kill me. He will pay you 20 million. Instead of to pay 10 million to release me, he wants to pay 20 million for you to kill me. He even say you should record it.
I swear.
When you even threaten that you will chop me into pieces and send it to him.
He no shake.
Hey!
He no move the man, oh.
No wonder they said your enemy is closer to you.
I feel him, I believe.
Hey!
I believe him.
So, no, both of you can go. I know what to do.
You say me? Huh? That no, make we dey go.
And go, don't worry, I know what to do. Hi. And you can go now. Go.
If I tear you slap, if I slap, I go slap you. You not go pay us.
I don't understand. After all the stress under the sun that we used to get to this place, be like you won't make a sack by you.
I even carry my credit, call your uncle, they talk rubbish.
See, but I said that we married the two of you now. I go marry you now.
But you draw something, Jare.
Okay, see, don't worry. Nothing there. He has not even paid me my allowance for this week. But don't worry, I will give you guys the allowance. Just go. Let me think. I'll need to think something.
See your life. You see your life. Eh?
Like
go. Uncle, like nephew. Exactly. Two of them now head. Now they craze.
Una know they even the pity. Una know the reason what's the reason. My uncle say me they kill me, say he go pay 20 million. That me they save me, say he go pay 10 million.
Oh boy, get out, I beg.
Yes! He said they should kill him. You will pay 20 million. Instead of to save me with 10 million, you want to pay more so I will die. Hey, now I'm beginning to suspect that my inheritance is more than that billion my uncle is. Who knows, maybe I'm the first person to enter trillion or quadrillion or even quintillion. The battle line is redrawn. I redraw this battle line again. Hey!
Yeah. How did you get here? I said it. I said 1, 2, 3, 4 days after the call. I did not see anything. I did not see even your dada as a picture for evidence for me to know that for real, these people they want their money. Wait, how did you pay them?
Uncle, how did I pay them? Uncle, you are a bad person. You are the worst family member I can ever ask for.
Oh, so you don't know that you are the most worstest nephew that I've had since this I was giving birth to.
Uncle,
so you don't know?
You call me worst.
Yes.
You are worse than the worst.
You think so?
Uncle, if I am your relative, you will not tell them to kill me, so you will pay them 20 million instead of 10 million to release me.
Because you were disturbing the whole of Africa, not just me, the whole of Africa.
Uncle.
Yes.
You said they should kill me, chop me into pieces.
Yes.
Record the video.
I was expecting.
Send it to you.
Yes, I was expecting your dada for confirmation, your finger for confirmation because I know everything.
Uncle. You are a bad person.
You are the baddest. You are the baddest. You know, everybody was complaining that our president is a bad person. No, our president is a bad person. You are the Buhari of our family. You are the Buhari of our family.
Uncle.
Yes.
Uncle.
Yes.
That was why I said they should kill me.
Yes.
Yes. Uncle, 4 days. I was gone for 4 days. You did not even call. I wish you called my line. I would have even picked and said, Uncle, I'm eating. Do you know those people stabbed me?
I know.
You know.
When they kidnap somebody, you will not feel fine. Normally, I was at peace.
You were at peace.
100%.
That I'm not around.
Not just.
That I was missing for 4 days.
Yes.
For 4 days, you did not look for me.
You know, people have 1,000, like 1,000% to be happy that they are at peace. But me, I was having 10,000 at peace, 100%.
That's why I was not around.
Yes.
For 4 days.
This house was peaceful.
And you did wait. What is paining me is you did not even call.
Why will I call you when I confirm your voice that they kidnapped you?
So all those 50,000 naira that you were giving me every week as allowance, you were just bribing me.
Yeah, so my brother, my brother, my nephew, yes, everything. But how did you escape?
How did I escape? So you were waiting for my body parts.
Both your dada.
You were waiting for my dada.
Everything because they promised that they will chop you into pieces, like so that in case somebody want to use fork to collect something and eat. You know, like when you want to eat dodo. Dodo, you know dodo. When you want to eat dodo, something like that. I was expecting that.
So they will be picking me. Like
yes, I needed the video to confirm.
You need video.
But I did not see anything.
So once they send you video, you send
them 20 million.
20 million.
Ma'am.
Instead of 10 million to release me.
Yes, I top the money.
Uncle, I want my inheritance.
You want the inheritance?
In full.
Be useful first.
See, if you don't give me my inheritance, I will burn everything you have.
You do what?
See, I'm not threatening you. This is not a matter of talk and not to do. I will do it.
Police will kidnap you. Yes! Police will kidnap you.
Okay, you even want to arrest me?
I said police will kidnap you. They will not arrest you, they will kidnap you. You be useful first.
I called you my uncle. You could not even pay kidnapper. If they truly kidnapped me, you could not pay them 10 million.
See somebody that I was even happy that they kidnapped, not knowing that he escaped.
10 million. How much is your car? You have a car of how many million? You could not pay them. You said they should kidnap me, cut me into pieces, and send you the video for 20 million. The battle line is withdrawn. I have withdrawn this battle line. I will fall. Don't worry, I don't worry.